As a part of number sense word problem series, past few videos we have been seeing even and odd numbers and how to solve the related problems, and today videos is going to be on consecutive numbers. The general form of writing a consecutive integer is given by n plus 1. Suppose n is a first number, then the next consecutive integer can be found by adding a 1 difference to it, which gives the value of the second consecutive integer. And when we add 2 with the number n, then it gives the third consecutive integer in the series. The general form of even integer is given by 2n, because we all know that even numbers are integers that can be divided exactly or evenly by 2. So the general form of any even number is given by 2n. So when we want to find the consecutive integers of even numbers, we have to add 2 difference to that, because the difference between any two even number is 2, right? So with keeping in that in mind, when we want to find the consecutive even integers, we have to add 2 with the given even number, that is 2n. Okay, so the general form of odd number, any odd integer, is given by 2n plus 1, because we know that any odd number is nothing but one addition or one deletion of a even number. So here we take one addition of a one number to that of the even number is going to give you the odd number. Okay, so 3 consecutive odd integers can be got again by adding 2 difference with 2n plus 1, the basic format. 2n plus 1, then 2n plus 3, then 2n plus 5. Okay, so with this knowledge, we'll just jump into the problems. State 4 consecutive even numbers between 11 to 19. This is very straightforward question. We know that even numbers end with 2, 4, 6, 8 at the end. The first even number after 11 is 12, then plus 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. So these are the 4 even numbers that are going to be consecutive within the range 11 and 19. Okay, find 2 consecutive integers whose sum is 75. So consecutive numbers can be generally written as n plus 1. I stop with this because they are asking for 2 consecutive integers. So adding the sum of these will going to give 75. So they are asking to find n is equal to what? So 2n plus 1 is equal to 75. 2n is 74 and n is 37. So the first number is 37, the consecutive number is 38. Okay, so these are the two numbers. When added, it's going to give 75. Okay, the next problem is find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is minus 78. So 3 consecutive integers, that is, n, then n plus 1 is the second number, and n plus 2 is the third consecutive number. When we add all these things, it is going to give minus 78. So 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 78. 3n is equal to minus 81, and n is equal to minus 27. So the first number is n, that is minus 27. Second number is n plus 1, that is minus 26. The third number is n plus 2, so that is minus 25. Since it is a negative numbers, it's going to keep on decreasing, so it will be, you have to be very careful when we are finding the consecutive numbers. Okay, next is find two consecutive even integers. So even integers general format is 2n, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, right? Even integers represented by 2n format. Consecutive integers, so I'm adding plus 2 to each of the previous number. Okay, sum of all these things is going to be 94. So after this, solution is easier. That is it's only they asking for two numbers, only two consecutive numbers. So we have to stop with 2n. 2n plus 2 is equal to 94. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 94. So 4n equals 92. So n equals 23. But the integer, first integer is represented by 2n, right? So 2n is equal to 46. So the next number is plus 2. So 48. 46 and 48 are the two numbers. When added, is going to give 94. Okay. Always you can check after getting this answers. You can check by adding it and finding out whether the answer is equivalent. Okay. Okay. Find four consecutive odd integers. This time it is odd integers, so we have to start with 2n plus 1, right? The second integer is going to be 2n plus 3. Third is going to be 2n plus 5. Fourth is going to be 2n plus 7, right? Which all these added gives 128. So it is 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 16, which is equal to 128, and n is equal to 14. Okay, so the first number is 2n plus 1, that is 2 into 14 is 28, 28 plus 1 is 29. So the next number is going to be 31, then 33 and 35 are the four consecutive odd integers. Okay, so the next sum is the sum of three consecutive integers. Here it is just given consecutive integers, so we have to just go to add n plus 1, n plus 2, which is equal to minus 90. Okay, so 3n plus 3 minus 90. So n is equal to minus 31. So first number is minus 31, second number is minus 30, and third number is minus 29. And the question doesn't end asking what are the numbers. They are asking to find out what is the largest integer. So if the negative numbers, minus 29 is going to be the largest integer. Okay, so this is for today. We will be seeing some more problems of consecutive numbers in the coming videos. Thank you for watching. Please comment and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel if you haven't done so far. Thank you.